In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning text overlays on your videos using CapCut. Whether you're looking to add an introductory title, subtitles, or just want to give your video a unique touch, this guide will lead you through the steps with ease. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, open the CapCut application. You'll want to initiate a new project. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows, allowing you to create without any restrictions. Once you have your new project ready, the next step is to import your video. You'll notice the option to drag it directly onto the timeline. This action not only organizes your workspace, but also prepares it for seamless editing. Now that your video is in place, let's talk about adding text. Look up at the top menu, and you'll see an option labeled Text. Click on this and select Add Text. This will add a text box to your project, ready for you to personalize with your message. Type in the text that you want to appear on the screen and move it to the spot where you think it fits best. Positioning is key. It impacts how your viewers interpret and focus on your content. With your text box selected, your next stop is the right-hand panel, specifically under the Style tab. This section allows you to tweak the appearance of your text and make it stand out on screen. If you prefer a bold, eye-catching look, simply click the B icon in the font settings to make your text bold. This small adjustment can have a powerful effect, making your text more readable and striking, especially in dynamic or visually detailed parts of your video. Let's add an extra touch by incorporating a shadow to your text. Scroll down in the Style tab until you spot the shadow section. Here, you'll find a toggle to turn on the shadow. This effect can give your text depth and help it pop from the background. But we're not stopping there. You have the creative freedom to adjust the shadow's attributes. You can modify its color to complement your video's theme, tweak the blur to soften or sharpen its appearance, and control the opacity to determine how pronounced the shadow effect is. Additionally, adjusting the offset will place the shadow in different directions, giving a three-dimensional feel or creating a specific mood. In conclusion, by following these steps, you've learned how to enhance your video with text overlays using CapCut. Remember, the beauty of digital editing lies in experimentation. Feel free to play around with the settings to find the perfect style that matches your content's vibe. I hope these instructions enable you to create beautifully enhanced videos and that you feel confident in your editing journey. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!